Hey, what's up, Grainger? James with Rowe-Thrush here at the Milton Industries booth at the 2026 Grainger Show, booth 351 with John Schenk. How you doing, John?
Very well, how are you?
I'm doing well. How's the show been for you so far?
Very busy, a lot of interest in our new products.
So we're day 3, the last day of the show, and we got a lot of cool new stuff added into Grainger recently. Before we get into the products that are on the table here and what we want to talk about, why don't you tell us a little bit about who Milton Industries is?
Milton Industries, we've been making air tools for a long time. We invented the M-style quick coupler, and we've expanded from there over the years to a lot of other product lines. But we're the gold standard in pneumatic tools and accessories and plan on keeping that label.
Now, lately you've acquired a lot of other manufacturers, a lot of other tools. So can you tell us a little bit about some of those acquisitions?
Sure, as you can see on our banner, we've acquired several other companies, including LTI Tools, Specialty Tools, Promax, Z-Line, and Steck Manufacturing.
Excellent, and all of those products we've actually added into Grainger. We may not be full line, but we do have a little bit of each of those brands in Grainger. So now, John, let's talk about some of the products that you have here in the booth.
Sure, so this is our stainless steel hose reel. Comes in a variety of lengths and sizes. We can build this to order for your customer. We can use EPDM hose or the ultra lightweight rubber hose, whatever fits the application that they're working on. The control arm is adjustable so that you can mount this on the floor, wall, ceiling, and adjust the arm to suit the application that you're working on. Another line we have is the Shock It Set line. This is for your maintenance repair techs, heavy equipment across all industries. When you get nuts, bolts, hydraulic compression fittings that are seized up, you just take our air hammer, you run vibration through the punch right to the socket, and it will break it free so your maintenance techs aren't hammering away, they're not getting out a blowtorch, creating a safety hazard. So this is a really nice solution for those cases.
It's very similar to like how the setup is here on the front of their new brochure. You have the air hammer and the punch going right to the socket to help break those nuts or bolts free.
In addition to that, our Z-Line line is a full line of fluid handling. We've just recently added these battery-operated fuel transfer pumps. So any piece of diesel equipment that needs to get serviced, before it's moved, has to have the fuel removed from it. So these come in handy in those cases. In addition to that, fully available in the Grainger catalog is our 5-in-1 universal safety exhaust coupler. Anybody using air tools should use a safety exhaust coupler to vent the pressure from that system so that you don't get the popping and the whipping action that's dangerous in the facility. So as you can see, this coupler takes all 5 of the most popular plug styles, versatile, and it's a safety product for your customer.
I'm really excited about this product. It's been out for quite a while. We got it into Grainger. This is going to be a really popular seller. Actually, when you guys came out with it, we had a large Grainger sourcing order for hundreds of these to a major manufacturer of aircraft. I'm not going to name any names. We'll just leave it at that.
Promax Tools is specialty tools for your fleet repair guys. Time-saving, efficient tools that are going to help your tech save time on jobs like manifold repair kits, extracting fuel injectors, fuel filters, and O2 sensors as well. So these kits are all solutions that are going to save your customers time, frustration, and money across all of our brands.
Yeah, I love the Promax line. Back when I was a mechanic, there were plenty of times where I had to drill broken studs out of cylinder heads when I was taking off exhaust manifolds. And when I learned about these products, I was like, man, I wish I had that when I was a technician. That would have saved me a ton of time. So really cool time-saving products from Promax.
In addition to that, we've added some other items in our fluid handling line as well. Our mobile fueling stations that you can put in the back of a pickup truck and mobilize your fuel dispensing to your fleet wherever it may be, as well as our Shock It sets like I mentioned, and our bi-directional air hammer, which is the only bi-directional air hammer on the market. So it hammers and it pulls for extracting O2 sensors, fuel filters and injectors and things like that. So
now that is called the Airstrike?
it's called the Airstrike.
Yeah, and that is newly added into Grainger as well. We're really excited about that one. I've never seen a bi-directional air hammer before. And when you told me about it, I was like, how does that work? I had to watch a video to see it. I'll make sure to include a link to that video actually so that you guys can see how a bi-directional air hammer will work.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We're here to help and be a support in any way that we can.
Thank you for stopping by the Milton Industries booth, and thank you, John.
Thank you, James.
Take care.